Alright guys, so i-unbox natin itong Starlink kit na nabili ko from Starlink's website. This is a refurbished unit actually. Nabili ko for only 14,000. So as you know, yung regular price ng Starlink is yung kit niya is 28,000. Although there were a few times na nag-sale sila, I believe that was for only 19,000. But this time, this is the first time na actually nag-check ako sa website nila because I was really planning to buy one. And then so happened na nag-offer pala sila ng refurbished unit. So yung refurbished unit pala is I believe yun yung mga units na sinauli kasi may mga defects, but inayos na nila kung ano man yung defects at it went through the same QA. So para na rin siyang bagong or brand new unit. At saka yung warranty naman niya is the same with the those that are not refurbished. So para sa akin okay lang naman kasi if may defects man, if may problema, so I can always make use of the warranty. So yung in-order ko pala is yung kit, saka mayroon ding Ethernet adapter. The reason why bumili din ako ng Ethernet adapter is I'm planning to use a router with it. May mga reviews kasi nung lumabas na mas mababa yung latency niya if iba-bypass siya. So gagamitin mo instead is yung router. May bypass mode po sa doon sa app nung Starlink, and that's what I'm planning to do. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa box niya. So this is the bracket. Tsaka ito na yung dish mismo. Actually, wala siyang signs na refurbished kit siya. Sobrang linis niya, para din siyang brand new na unit. Ito yung kable niya, I believe, di ako nagkakamali, this is 150 feet. Right? And here's the router. Starlink router. And the power supply for the router. Okay? Sige. Now, I might not be using this. Bumili din ako ng bracket from a third-party supplier para gagamitin ko for the mounting dun sa taas. Okay, so ito naman yung Ethernet adapter na binili ko din from the website. Na-open na siya kasi may nauna itong dumating. Dumating ito 4 days from the date na nag-purchase ako. As compared to the box na dumating siya maybe around 1 week. So yung mangyayari nito, instead na nakakonect dito sa router yung connector ng cable from the dish, what's going to happen is ito yung Ethernet adapter ang i-coconnect ko dito. Tapos, itong cable from the dish, dito ko siya i-connect. Here, like this. Okay? Pero, di ko muna siya gagamitin sa ngayon kasi di pa naman dumating yung router na binili ko. Alright? So, next na i-unbox natin is yung binili ko na bracket. Okay. So, ito yung mounting kit na nabili ko sa Shopee. I got this for I think 2,300. Alright guys, so kinat ko na lang yung video para madali. Right? So, ito yung bracket or mounting kit na gagamitin ko dun sa taas instead of this one. Alright, so here's the manual. And may kasama siyang mga bolt. So, parang nakaganon siya sa wall sa taas. Tapos, dito papatong yung dish. Tingnan natin kung kasya. Yun. Yan. So actually, magla-lock siya. Kailangan ko lang i-diin para magla-lock siya. So parang nakaganon siya dun sa wall. Okay? Alright, so I'll do another video para sa pag i-mount na namin to. So please subscribe to my channel. Abangan niyo yung video ko and hit the notification bell icon. Alright, thank you.